दखना गिदिर जाबाय लुज जाबाय I don't know कैसे खालामबाय
क्या खालामबाय
fix कैसे खालामबाय
fix
Your visions.
जब भी हम लोग रील्स बनाएंगे वो ऐसा ऐसा वाला
Oh, you look so pretty.
जब भी वो गाना चलाओ ना दखना गाननो सोलोंगासिनो दै Done? Yes. And then take some pieces of clothes like
One second guys hold on
Finally, Jovelyn is here. So, Bodoनिफ्राय Jovelynनि gift सफैबाय. What is this, Jovi?
this is
Dona, So, नोंथांमोनखौ बयखौबो आंनि गोदान मोनसे भिडिअआवहाय फिन खनसेबाव बरायबाय. दिनैहाय फाइनालि आङो आरो खनसेबाव गोदान मोनसे भिडिअ लानानै फैबाय बहुत दिननि उनाव. So आंनि गुबुन गुबुन हादरनि सिख्लाफोर दखना गाननानै रेडि जाबाय. बिथांमोनखौ दायो बरायनोसै. Please welcome Nepal girl plus Filipino queen. खुलुमबाय.
बेरायनो थांसै
So actually जोङो बेरायनो थांसै. Jovelyn, Filipino queen.
Jovi.
Nepali queen. Me, I don't know.
This no queen. Parrot.
So जोङो साथामजों थांसै बेरायनो थाखाय. Can you just explain about this Jovi?
Experience.
Why you are learning to wear Bodo and why are you
Yes,
wearing
I wanted to
Just
for
see
me, I
it,
just
just
wanted
wear it.
to wear this one. I wanted to experience. I already experienced wearing this one, but I wanted to bring it home. Of course, because I wanted to try wearing this one at home, most especially for my daughter.
You like this color?
Yeah, I love.
So actually,
And the
it's her.
color is actually perfectly matching to her.
Yeah.
It looks so awesome. Like
So नोंथांमोना खोनाबायना Jovelynआ बेखौ
You always love what I wear.
wait.
and I really love the way.
So Jovelyn खोनाबायना नोंथांमोना Jovelynआ बे दखनाखौ गावसोरानि हादराव गानहैनो फिलिपिनो गाननो सोलोंदों. Jovelynआ गावसिनि हादराव थांनानै गानहैनो नागिरदों दखनाखौ. So you managed to learn how to wear दखना, right?
Yeah.
You managed to learn.
Right?
So she managed to learn. Actually, Jovelyn
It's quite difficult, but at the same time,
it's easy. Okay. So actually, Jovelyn रोंबाय दखनाखौ मारै गाननांगौ.
Yes.
सोर
I would love to.
सोर Jovelyn आरो सुजाखौ बड'लेण्डआव थांजानो गोसो जायो प्लिज कमेन्ट खालामनानै खोन्थाहर.
Okay?
I wanted to get a lot of colors for this.
See, नोंथांमोनहा आं दायो न'आव थांबा आं साननैसोनि उनाव न'आव थांगोन. नोंथांमोनहा Jovelynनो दखना गिफ्ट हरनो हागोन. सोरनो हरनो गोसो. बेबो दाखालि सुजानो सोरबा हरनायमोन ओमफ्राय बेबो सोरबा
अरे
हरनाय.
इधर से भी निकल रहा है
ओमफ्राय नोंथांमोना जुदि हरनो गोसोबा हरनो हागोन. Jovelynआ बिराद बुरजा दखना लांनो नागिरदों गावसिनि हादराव दै.
So she is our Jovi from Philippines and she would love to wear this dokana. So can you guys please comment below down how she is looking, if she is looking pretty or not. Mojan nudangna dokana naikho.
दखना गाननायखौ रायजोफोर.
Dokana gannaikho raijapur.
Yes. Jovi, you also say मोजां नुदोंना say.
Mazang Dona.
मोजां
Mazang
नुदों.
nudangna. Mazang
Mazang.
nudangna.
Mazang Nudang.
Na.
Na.
Question them.
Na.
Question them.
Mazang nudangna.
Mazang Nudang.
आंनि दखना गाननायखौ.
Angni dokana gannaikho.
So hard.
Angni dokana gannaikho.
Wow.
Ani Dukuna Ganaiko.
मोजां नुदोंना. Too much.
Same as like this. We call it empanada.
Panada.
Empanada.
Samosa.
Yeah, for you, you call it samosa, right?
It's tasty.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, go. Done. Okay. Then it's long, right? So this dokhna is big. So you may fold like this little bit. How much you want? Otherwise, it will get stuck down. That's why. Okay. Fold it like this nicely. Oh, whole side, even inside here. Even this side is long like this.
Okay.
So, wait. You can put some pin here if you want to. Put it nicely. Otherwise it will get. It's gonna be torn. So for me, I don't require. And then you notice on how to take that. So these extra pieces, extra clothes, you will take it behind. Marka khul gaya. It's okay, I will fix it later. And then now you will take this part. This side, left with the left hand. This one.
Ah, okay.
See? So actually Zoblina गावसिनि फिलिपिन हादराव गानहैनो थाखाय सोलोंगासिनो क्योंकि I will not be there in the Philippines. आं थाहैनाय नङा ना होजों ओंखायनो. Show me this side. It's called mokhona. This one we call mokhona.
Dokhana or mokhana?
No, this one we call mokhona.
Okay, just shut up.
Every parts
Okay,
we have.
Khali
Wait,
wali.
let me explain.
Khali wali, we don't want your explanation.
Every parts we have name.
We don't want your explanation, just do your job.
Okay. So done like this. No, you will take it some more that side. Catch it.
What do you mean by exactly?
So then it's extra also, right? It's don't look like good. So you will catch it like this. Yeah. How much you want? This much. It should not be too much long because the old fashion, the old women they used to take it long. Now we are in new models, right? So we don't keep this much long. Do it like this now. Yeah. See, Zoblin is so expert. And then this side also is extra, right? You need to make it similar.
This one.
Yeah. Some more.
Oh, some more.
You need to make it similar here. And then now, see, make it like this. Yes. Take it. No, you need to catch this also.
Oh, okay.
No, make it similar. Wow!
Wow,
Done.
Jody!
Good one. I'm tired also. Oh, see, make it, arrange it, and then, so 1, 2, 3, go. As long as you can make it tight, it's fine. You can bring it until here.
Hmm?
You can bring it until here.
Until here.
Yeah. Wait, go.
Yeah, I know now.
Yeah. You know now? No. There is something. See now, this one you know what we call, right? Pasra in Bodo, but we also call dupatta in Hindi. Dupatta, but you can call pasra.
Pasra.
So you keep it like this, if you are comfortable. But you can also fold like this small. If you feel like it's so big, you can also fold like this.
Come this side, with this side.
So if you feel like it's too big, you can also fold like this, okay? There are so many, like you can take it as Look at her pose.
Huh?
Look at her
Yeah,
pose.
it's so nice.
Oh my god, Jovi, I don't understand.
You don't understand what?
How she's pretty.
Sujata, make a photo. Oh, you want photo?